Hello, good morning students. I am your English teacher and today we are going to start chapter 11, the correct use of conjunctions in English of class 8 in our grammar portion. So, you all know that we have already studied parts of speech in previous class also, and conjunction is also parts of speech. So, what is the use of conjunction? That you all know, conjunction is used to join two sentences, to connect two sentences. So conjunctions are used to join words or parts of a sentence. Conjunction हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमें words या parts of sentence को connect करना होता है तब. We shall study here the use of some important conjunctions. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि कुछ important conjunctions के uses क्या हैं. You can observe or you can see this table. If, that, when, scarcely, both, and, or, until, rather, but also, no sooner, as, after, hardly, not only, so long as, till, while, unless, no other, as long as, lest, since, before, either or, and neither nor. So we should study these conjunctions in detail also. Now let us see no sooner, hardly, and scarcely. So no sooner is always followed by then. We always use no sooner with then in the sentence. Scarcely and hardly is always followed by when. हमें ये चीज़ याद रखनी है. No sooner हम जब भी सेंटेंस के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं we use then with it, and with scarcely and hardly we use when. So for the purpose of emphasize, no sooner, hardly, scarcely can be placed first in a sentence or clause. Now जब भी हम no sooner, hardly और scarcely sentence के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं तो वो क्लोज या सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में यानी कि स्टार्टिंग में यूज़ होता है. यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल. एंड आफ्टर दैट द इन्वर्टेड, that means interrogative form of the verb is used. Look at the following examples. The movie had hardly started when the lights went off. So hardly had the movie started when the lights went off. Second, she had no sooner seen her mother than she began to cry. No sooner had she seen her mother than she began to cry. In both the sentences we have seen that hardly and no sooner both are used in the starting of the sentence. Third, he had scarcely had heard the news when he ran for his home. So the correct sentence is scarcely had he heard the news when he ran for his home. So in these all sentences you can see that no sooner is followed by then and scarcely and hardly is followed by when. Now unless means if not. We never use not with unless, as we have seen before also that we cannot use unless with not. So we can use not with if when the sense demands it. अगर हमें not use करना है सेंटेंस के अंदर तो हम unless के साथ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन if के साथ कर सकते. So unless means if not. For example, if you do not work hard you will fail. If you work hard you can get good marks. Second, unless you work hard you cannot pass. Unless you do not work hard you cannot pass. That is incorrect sentence because we have seen that unless and not both are never used together. Until and till is equal up to the time when. Both these words denote some point of time. अब जो until और till दोनों ही conjunctions है वो some point of time indicate करते हैं. Until is mostly used in the initial position. Starting में initial position मतलब sentence की शुरुआत में. Look at the following sentences. First, until you pay your fees you can't sit in the class. जब तक तुम अपनी फीस पे नहीं करोगे तुम क्लास में नहीं बैठ सकते. Second, he won't go till or until you give him his money. Third, I shall wait here for you till or until you come back. So, basically the meaning of until and till are same. That means up to the time when, some point of time जब हम indicate करना चाहेंगे तब हम until या till use करते हैं. So long as long as, and while. is equal during the time when. these words denote period of time. ये तीनों ही जो वर्ड है या कंजक्शंस है वो टाइम डिनोट करते हैं, टाइम शो करते हैं. सो लॉन्ग एज और एज लॉन्ग एज और वाइल. जब फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाइल देर इज लाइफ देर इज hope. Second, as long as she was here she was quite happy. Here we are indicating period of time. Third, you have no fear so long as you work honestly. Study the following sentences carefully. We shall examine some incorrect and correct sentences with using until, till, so long as long as and while. So first one is until it rains we must stay inside. It is incorrect sentence but the correct one is as long as it rains. जब तक बारिश होती है we must stay inside. Second, until you work hard you will keep improving. That is incorrect sentence but the correct one is as long as you work hard you will keep improving. Third, he continued studying as long as he was 60 years old. But the correct sentence is he continued studying till or until he was 60 years old. Because now you might have used because many times while you speak in English or while you talk in English or while you are forming a sentence. Because is used to express a cause or reason. जब हम कोई reason बताना चाहते हैं तब हम because use करते हैं. And so that is used to express some aim or purpose. You have to remember that because is used to express a cause or a reason or so that is used to express some aim or purpose. कोई purpose show करने के लिए हम so that use करते हैं और reason के लिए हम because use करेंगे. Look at the following examples. He failed because he did not work hard. Second, he worked hard so that he could get good marks. Now study the following sentences carefully. We will see some correct and some incorrect sentences. Men work because they may earn a living. It is incorrect sentence. And men work so that they may earn a living. That is correct sentence. Second, he took medicine because he might get well. But the correct sentence is he took medicine so that he might get well. Now since. So since is used from that time to the time referred to. कोई टाइम दिखाने के लिए, कोई टाइम शो करने के लिए, कौन से टाइम से कौन से टाइम तक हम कोई बात बताना चाहते हैं तब हम since यूज करते हैं. एज अ कंजक्शन since always takes the past simple यानी V2. एज अ कंजक्शन अगर जब हम since यूज करते हैं तो उसमें वर्ब फॉर्म V2 आता है. दैट इज पास्ट सिंपल आफ्टर इट बट नेवर बिफोर इट. since के बाद हम V2 फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. Look at the following sentences. 2 months passed since he has come here. That is incorrect sentence. Look at the correct one. 2 months have passed since he came here. The first sentence is incorrect because the verb come is used in V1 form but here we have to use it in V2 form. That is past simple. So second one, I didn't see him since he has left this place. That is incorrect sentence but the correct one is I have not seen him since he left this place. Now before, if, until, unless, while, when etc. are called conjunctions of time. अब जो before है if, until, unless, while, when ये सारे conjunctions को हम conjunctions of time कहेंगे. temporal conjunction जो टाइम के लिए यूज होते हैं. दे आर नेवर फॉलोड बाय वर्ब इन द फ्यूचर टेंस. और फ्यूचर टेंस में ये वर्ब के साथ यूज नहीं होंगे. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. आई विल हेल्प हिम इफ ही कम्स हियर. दैट इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस. यू कैन सी द इनकरेक्ट वन. आई विल हेल्प हिम इफ ही विल कम हियर. वी हैव ऑलरेडी यूज विल इन द फर्स्ट वन. Second, the crops will fail before the rains fall. That is right sentence. And the incorrect one is the crops will fail before the rains will fall. That is incorrect sentence. Third, I shall not let you go unless you pay the bill. Because shall is used only once in the sentence, so it is right sentence. The incorrect one is I should not let you go unless you will pay the bill. So these all are temporal conjunctions. Now that is never used before an interrogative link in indirect narration. जब हम indirect narration करते हैं तब that जो है वो interrogative link के पहले यूज नहीं हो सकता है. He asked that if Manu had passed. That is incorrect sentence. You can see the correct one. He asked if Manu had passed. यहाँ पे asked मतलब के क्वेश्चन पूछा है, so it is an interrogative link, so we cannot use that before it. Second, I wish to know that when he will come. It is incorrect sentence, but the correct one is I wish to know when he will come. Here we are asking a question, so we cannot use that before it. Lest is always followed by the auxiliary should. जब भी हम lest conjunction यूज करते हैं तब उसके साथ should यूज होता है. For example, he worked hard lest he may fail. That is incorrect sentence because we have to use should with it. He worked hard lest he should fail. That is correct sentence. Second, walk fast lest you miss the train. That is incorrect sentence because we haven't used should here. The correct one is walk fast lest you should miss the train. Now the conjunctions no other and rather are followed by then. When we are using them in the sentence, we have to use then with it. For example, no other than he broke the window. And second, I would rather die than beg for money. You can see we have used then in both the sentences. So when a negative is used at the beginning of a sentence, जब sentence की शुरुआत में negative use होता है, its negative influence spread over the whole sentence. यानी कि पूरे sentence पे उसका negative influence होता है. Therefore the negatives not and never must never be followed by nor. और इसी वजह से जब भी हम नॉट और नेवर सेंटेंस के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं तब वहाँ पे हम नॉट यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, बट दे कैन हैव और आफ्टर देम, लेकिन और यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी डिड नॉट ब्रेक इट नॉर लूज इट. दैट इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस because we have seen before that the negatives not and never must never be followed by nor, but the correct one is she did not break it or lose it. We can use or with it. Second, I have never spoken to her nor written to her. That is incorrect sentence because we have already used never negative in the sentence, so we cannot use nor with it. Second, the correct sentence is I have never spoken to her or written to her. That is correct sentence. However, neither is always followed by nor. You might have used in the sentence also. For example, I have neither written to her nor spoken to her. That is correct sentence, but the incorrect one is I have neither written to her or spoken to her. We cannot use or with neither because it is always followed by nor. Second, he washed neither his hands nor his feet. That is correct sentence because nor is used in the sentence with neither. But the incorrect sentence is he washed neither his hands or his feet. We cannot use or with neither. So it is incorrect sentence. Now see, some conjunctions go in pairs. कुछ conjunctions ऐसे होते हैं जो pair में use होते हैं, like either or, neither nor, both and, not only and, but also. See the following examples. Not the correct position of this conjunction in these sentences. Sentences के अंदर हमें ये भी देखना है कि जो ये paired conjunctions है, either or, neither nor, both and, not only and, but also, इनकी position sentence के अंदर कहाँ पे है. Look at the following sentences. Either his answer was right or wrong. That is incorrect sentence. But the correct one is his answer was either right or wrong. Second, neither his action was just nor unjust. You can see the sentence is not correct. Look at the correct sentence. His action was neither just nor unjust. Third, he is both good in sports and studies. The correct sentence is he is good in both sports and studies. Here we have used both and conjunction, paired conjunction. Fourth, she not only lost her ticket but also her luggage. Here we are using the conjunction not only and but also. So the correct sentence is she lost not only her ticket but also her luggage. Now look at this exercise. We have already learned about some conjunctions and how to use them in a sentence. So you have to solve this exercise yourself. Tick the correct sentence in each set. Let us solve first one for your convenience. Look at both the sentences in first one. Catch me if you can and catch me that you can. Here the correct sentence is catch me if you can. Now rest of the exercise you have to solve yourself. Our chapter is completed here. Read and revise it once again. Thank you.